Perfect motion demands more than just power. Applied at the right moment in the right place and with moderation, only then will the sheer power of today's Mercedes-Benz engines reveal itself in optimum vehicle dynamics. The new 4MATIC system distributes fully variable torque, adapting to driver and situation. To save weight and installation space, the PTU is integrated into the main 7G DCT transmission. Via the driveshaft, the power is fed to the multi-disc clutch of the completely new rear axle differential. The clutch pressure is regulated by an electronically controlled proportional valve. If required, up to almost 100% of drive power is directed to the rear axle differential. 3 years of development and various conceptual approaches culminate in an ideal all-wheel drive. On Mercedes-Benz test benches, demanding test routes, and in the biting cold of Lapland, hardware and operating parameters were brought to perfection. As a guiding principle, the rear axle transmission is activated as often as necessary, as seldom as possible. At high speeds, the new 4MATIC almost always uses front-wheel drive. As soon as the driving situation requires it, additional torque is sent to the rear axle within milliseconds. For example, when cornering at high speed, under full acceleration, or when the system senses a sudden change in the road surface. When ESP intervenes, the rear axle is immediately deprived of torque, as is expected from Mercedes-Benz, where driving safety always has top priority. Perfect integration, intelligent control, low fuel consumption. With a fully variable 4MATIC system, Mercedes-Benz now offers exciting high performance and sheer driving pleasure also in the compact class. 4MATIC, all-wheel drive